So yesterday I played this kind of Secrets Tycoon game, and it turns out there is another. Now, I intentionally chose to play this one because this game kind of gives off the vibe that I'm just gonna run around doing absolutely nothing for an hour. But, you know, I wanted to try it out. Because there seems to be more secrets, actually. This one had like 60 something, this one has 77. So here we go. Let me turn on the game audio. Let's see. What this is gonna be. Missing owner. Okay, there we go. That's so now I'm here, and this is like an actual tycoon from the looks of things. The other game was kind of Miner's Haven-esque. This is like a tycoon, like a classic tycoon. So I need one secret to buy that button. Okay. Input code here. I don't know how I feel about that, I'll be honest. Heroic the solver. What why is that a thing? Wait. Oh. Okay. I don't know what that's all about. How do I get a secret? I need to get a secret. I guess if I fall into the void, I might be able to get something. No, that didn't give me anything. I see like a puzzle here. Let me count the studs maybe. 5 by 1 from the looks of things. So, you know, I don't enjoy games which do this, but I'm gonna try to decode this in some sort of way. I'm gonna try A1Z26. So here we go. We've got the A1Z26 cipher. So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna do 15. Yeah, I don't know why I thought that was gonna work, to be honest. Okay, I need to get a secret. How am I gonna get a secret if I can't find a single one? See, this is what I'm saying, man. I'm just gonna run around doing nothing. I need a secret. I need a secret. Maybe if I fall in here. No secrets. Maybe if I E-dance. Please. No, E-cheer. E-wave? E-laugh. Maybe if I reset, I'll get a secret. No, okay, how do I get a secret in this game? God damn. Why is that more translucent than the other? I just need one secret, please. I beg you. Give me one. Is there something on the back of this? Should I be seeing something? I feel like I see something on the back of this board, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Input code. Okay, I'm just gonna input code. Incorrect code. Okay, code here. Of course. Incorrect. Input code here. Do any of these buttons require 0 secrets? Please, I beg you. I just need one secret. What do I do? Is there anything? Can I click something under the map maybe? Like, seriously, how do I get a secret in this game? Please, Speed, I need this. Okay, I didn't think I would have to be doing this so early, but I'm gonna check the fucking micro profiler, and I'm gonna hope there's something in there, because if there isn't, I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, pause it. Detailed. Timers. And then script. Hold on. Script. Where is it? Script. Okay, show me something, please. I think I see a code. Hold on. Let me hide this. Here we go. So cute. There we go. I got a fucking secret. That was hard. That was difficult, I'll be honest. Okay, I got something. At the very least. I got something. So now I can buy a dropper. There we go. And I can start actually playing the tycoon. So here we go. Doesn't seem like I'm getting any money, but that might be because I have to go collect it. Oh, here we go. Even deep. Okay, so I've actually begun the game now. So that's nice. I'm able to actually start looking for things in this game. Here we go. Code redeemed. Now I've got 2 secrets. Actually, was I supposed to get a secret for joining this game? Like, what is this? Welcome home. I don't understand what this is. The solver. Is this a code? No. The solver. Wait, maybe like this? Solver. Okay, there we go. So that was the first secret I was supposed to get. I couldn't tell if this was a 0 or an O, but okay, so that's how you're supposed to progress the game. You're supposed to find that secret first, but I guess I'm just too stupid. I still feel like there's something at the back of this board, but I don't know. I need to get money. How do I get money? I need to get money somehow. Oh, wait, I see something. Tycoon God.itch.io. Here we go. Okay, let's see this. This is like a game. It's a zip file. You know, I don't want to do this right now. Maybe later. I've got 3 secrets, but I've got 0 money. How do I get money? Oh, there we go. I got money. I have 19 money now. How much do I need for my first dropper? Actually, how much do I need for whatever this is? I need 100 money. Okay, so let me get 30 money. Boom. Okay. So now I've got 30 money. I can actually get my first dropper. And now, presumably, I'm gonna get money automatically, so I no longer have to click that. So I've got 3 secrets, and I need 100 each for these. I guess what I can do in the meanwhile, while I wait for money, check the game page, because there might be something, right? It's entirely possible that there is a secret hidden here. Okay, and there we go. So in the description of these donation game passes or these dev products, there seems to be some kind of a puzzle. Hold on, I'm gonna write this down. I'm just gonna try to decode that real quick. In the meanwhile, I can actually buy these things. So I bought that. There we go. Okay, so I'm looking around for potential other secrets. I don't know why this white palace thing here has like is dimmer. What if I tab out? Does anything appear on my screen if I tab out? I don't see anything happening. I've got enough money now to get this wall 1. There we go. I've got a wall. What else can I buy? The next thing I can buy is for 420. Okay. Okay. What I also want to check, because there's another place that you can hide things in donations, is actually this right here. But okay, it doesn't seem like there's anything. I'll check every single one, but somehow I doubt it. Yeah, okay, there's nothing. The alt text of the game is actually seemingly has some stuff going on. So H0R 5v1 horse. Okay, so the code is horses here from the alt text of the thumbnails of this game. There we go, code redeemed. So I got another secret now. I have 4 secrets. That's pretty nice, no? And now I have enough money to get my second dropper, so that's pretty cool. And then right here I can buy, what can I buy? Another wall. Okay, sure. I see a little thing here. This looks like a paste bin link. So I'm gonna assume this is a paste bin link. Paste bin? Yeah, it was a paste bin link made by a guest. So empty. So I don't know, this looks a little complicated for me. This is glass, so I wonder if this could be something. How much do I need to buy? Okay, I bought the second wall, so that's pretty cool. I need 4 secrets for this one, so I have 4 secrets. I have got 4 secrets. There's another thing which I do want to check. I doubt there's gonna be anything in there, but it's not impossible that there'll be something, so I'm just gonna check real quick. So I've got my logs file open here. I'm probably gonna blur this in the video because I don't know what kind of stuff is gonna be here, but because there could be something here, you know what I mean? I don't see anything though. Yeah, I actually don't think there's gonna be anything in here. I'm trying to think of other places there could potentially be something. I guess the question is, does this game have streaming enabled? It does have streaming enabled, so I don't really think I see anything in here. Yeah, I don't think there's anything. So, okay, let me get the money. There'll be... Okay, so I've got 4 secrets, so I was able to buy that. Maybe if I scroll all the way down on this, is there gonna be something? Ooh, do you see that? Okay, so the donation board seemingly doesn't have the secrets, but then there's a secret message using rich text. Are you sure about that? I will try that as a code, but I doubt that that's gonna be anything on its own. Okay, I'm wondering, are there any secrets in this donation place? These buttons don't have anything wrong with them, except this one. I can't select that one for some reason. Why can't I select this? For some reason, this disappears when I get close to it. When my camera gets close to it. I don't know why. We got some money now. And what am I able to buy with that money is the question. 4. Here we go. So I bought something. I need 6 secrets to get that. I only have 4 of them. 10 for that one. Okay, so I really need to get myself some secrets. Yeah, this is difficult. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, usually what I do. You want a secret? Sorry, you can't get one. Silence yourself and scram. So I guess I need to mute myself. So your anger. Guess I need to type /console. You look sad. Cheer up. You are persistent. Quite recite to me the magic word. Open, please. Whisper. None. Now, let your voice be heard. Okay. Let my voice be heard. What does that mean? Unmute. I need to unmute myself. Find your code somewhere. What does that mean, find my code? What do you mean by that? Where is it? What is this? What do you mean, find my code somewhere? Find it somewhere. Code. GG1. You want your code? This is the I'm talking about, brother. I can't be bothered to... I can't be bothered to figure out what this means. Just give me the secret. Just give me the secret. Oh my god, I'm never gonna get fucking... Oh my god, bruh. So I've got money. I can't do anything with it. I don't have anything to do with this money. I'm just gonna check the game page again. Maybe, just maybe there'll be something, but somehow I doubt it. Places. I can try to teleport to a place. I don't even know if it's worth it, to be honest. Is it even worth me checking this? I don't think so. I'm stuck at 4 secrets. I have no idea what to do, man. Maybe the answer was inside me all along. That would be pretty funny, wouldn't it? Am I even gonna get a video out of this, man? Can I fall down here? I can fall down here. Is it any use? I don't think it's... What kind of fucking game is this, man? I have a plan. It's kind of a stupid plan, but I have one.
3 hours later.
No. I want to teleport. Please, just let me teleport to the fucking game. I don't have permission. Please, let me join. Just let me join. Come on. Yeah, no, this game is fucking... I think I give up, to be honest. If there's anything here for me. 6-7%, really. Seriously. If I make my window really small, will that show me something? If I make it really big, will that show me something? Here's what I'm gonna do, right? Game, get service, teleport service, teleport to spawn by name. Spawn name. It was, I believe it was Dark Palace that the spawn was called. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe something? No, nothing happened. I hate that it pauses on 6-7%. I really don't like that. I have no idea what to do in this game. I'll be real. Is there gonna be something here? Okay, I found a code. Oh my god, I found a code. Oh my god. I found a realm. I think I'm being teleported to a realm. Do you remember who you were? No, the fuck I don't. I swear to god, if this doesn't give me a secret, I'm actually gonna fucking leave the game. Like, this has to give me a secret, right? Like, these paths, I feel like they're not random. I feel like they're spelling something. Like that's a P right there. That's a P4. That's a 4. P4. This is gonna be a T. Paths. Okay, there is a code. I am able to get a code of some sort. So I'm just gonna have to figure out what that is. This path spells something. What does it spell? This is like a 7. Z? No, not a Z. What was that? I give up. Alright. I quit this game. That was a couple days ago now. And now I'm back. Because I feel like I can get more secrets than just 4. I mean, 4 of them when there's like 70 in the game, come on. So what I think I will do, first of all, is do this right here. Tycoon God. Okay. Gotta download this. It's a zip file. Hopefully this is not a zip bomb. Ooh, I just realized you can't see my screen. Okay, now you can see my screen. So I've extracted the file. Okay, an exe file. So, okay, this better not make my antivirus go off. Okay, we've got a Unity game going. All right. Let's see. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay. Now this is cool. I've never seen something like this. So here we go. You. And then can I move? I can move with WASD. Okay. You found the code. Nice. Let's see if this code works in the input for this game. You found the code. Nice. There we go. Code redeemed. Okay. So now I believe I have got 5 secrets, which means probably, that I can buy. I'm trying to speedrun this a little bit because I'm recording this during the Europe heatwave and I don't have an air conditioner in my room, so I'm kind of struggling a little bit. Okay, so that's 5 secrets, right? That was an easy one that I could have gotten. Okay, now what I really need to do is find more secrets. I have a bit of an idea, right? It once again involves the Roblox API. I don't know what to expect from this game. I don't know how many API secrets this game has. There was one in here. There was a puzzle in here. I couldn't solve it. I couldn't solve this puzzle. I can check with this button. By the way, people were asking on my other video. This is a Chrome extension called RowSeal. RowSeal Augmented Roblox Experience. This is an incredible extension. So if you wanna improve your puzzling skills, this is you're gonna want RowSeal. So this game has subplaces, right? I'm wondering, is there gonna be anything in the description of these subplaces, or better yet, is there gonna be anything in the icons of these subplaces? So that's what I want to check. I'm gonna open Roblox documentation real quick. It's like 30 degrees in my room right now. I am just I cannot do this long. Okay, I gotta speedrun this. Here we go, the develop API, right? I grab the universe ID from here. This is another RowSeal thing, by the way. I grab the places of this game. There we go. So this game has 2 subplaces. Okay, there's nothing in the description of either of them. Let me grab this. There we go. So I've got this, right? Why would this subplace have a icon if it has nothing to do with a secret, right? Maybe it actually doesn't have a secret in it. Oh, that's kind of weird. That's kind of lame, to be honest. Like, I kind of expected something there. This one looks like it would have a secret somewhere in there. If this one doesn't have a secret, then that's just a missed opportunity, right? Let's sharpen this one. And I do believe I see something. Right here on the side of it, there is something. We can change the brightness. And does that reveal anything? That doesn't reveal anything. So I think threshold might be a good one. Okay. And there we go. But is that something, or is that a red herring? I'm really trying here, but I am not sure that I can find anything here. You know, I don't think I can do anything. That might not be anything. That might just be a red herring. Okay, well, what else can I do other than, I suppose, just going back into that haze realm? Do you remember who you were? Is there gonna be a secret message here? No, there's no secret message. So, okay, I'm looking around. I'm trying to see if there's maybe anything hidden, because I wouldn't put it past this game to hide something. There we go. I believe that's something hidden. What is that? Don't turn left. Okay, at the crossroads, don't turn left, I guess. I'm gonna try that as a code later. Wait, where did the pathway go? I could have sworn there was a pathway here. Oh, there's a pathway. Wait, so what is this pathway then? This is a different pathway than the one that I saw last time, I'm pretty sure. Okay, what I could do is click around with click to move. If I use, yeah, here we go. Oh, movement mode set by developer, so you can't use click to move. Maybe if I jumped in some specific direction, I would find something, but what I'm really trying to figure out is, what does this spell? W? Could it be? Could it be a W? That's a 1. 1. That is a 1, okay? Oh, wait, the code is gonna be winding path, I'm pretty sure. Because I remember last time it said path, right? Wind? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna return to the source game right now. Oh, by the way, I joined the game briefly earlier.
6, 7.
This is a thing.
7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
The loading screen always gets stuck at 67%, which brings up a puzzle. I'm not really sure what the puzzle is, though, to be honest. I don't really know how to solve it. Is don't turn left a code? That is not a code. This has to be a code. How is that not a code? Come on. Winding path. Ooh, okay, I had to say it out loud and something happened. Or, oh, wait, is this? Okay, there's a new path here now. It doesn't look like it's spelling anything out now. Hopefully this gives me a secret. If this doesn't give me a secret, I'm genuinely gonna be pissed off. A leap of faith forward. Okay, there we go. You know what this actually reminds me of? And this is very annoying from the game developer, by the way, but I'm pretty sure that what we're looking at is a cipher of some sort. Now, exactly what kind of cipher is a little more complicated. I really don't like games that use ciphers in this way, right? Where they're just using ciphers for the purpose of using them, you know, just to be cryptic. The cipher that we're looking for is gonna be somewhere here, okay? It doesn't look like I'm gonna get a secret from this, to be honest. Which is kind of unfortunate. Is that what this is? I really don't like games which use ciphers as like a mechanic. I just don't really, I just think it's bad puzzle design, to be honest. I could try to decode this, but I don't think I would succeed. So I'm gonna go back to the main game and I'm gonna look for anything else. I mean, surely we can get more than 5 secrets. I'm wondering, maybe, just maybe, if it's possible that I could wall hop around without claiming the Tycoon. I don't really know if that makes any sense, but I'm gonna try it. At this point, I've changed my goal. I just want one more secret. I wanna get 6 secrets of the 70 whatever, and then I'll be happy because, you know, clearly this game isn't really meant to be played. If I can hit this wall hop, I'm gonna be incredible. There we go. Okay, there we go. So there's a code. Place free H0LD3R, and I'm able to redeem that code. Now I have 6 secrets, which means I can buy 6. There we go, I bought something. And then I can buy that. There should be a secret here. Okay, this is interesting. I kind of wish this was copyable, or like they had used a text box instead of a text label, so you can actually copy what's written on the wall. But so I'm wondering if I go here. Okay, it wasn't a playlist. It might be a comment link, but which I suppose doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Okay, so what could this be? Maybe a community post? No, see, they all start with something. I actually don't know what this could be then. Could it? No, it's not gonna be a Mediafire link. Yeah, I mean, the problem with this game is that it's too hard, right? This isn't a game that's meant to be played by an individual, I don't think. This is a game built for teams, which can be good, but like, you know, I've clicked all the apples. I don't know what that did. Don't really know if that did anything for me, to be honest. So, I have no idea what this is. no idea. No idea. Not a single clue. I suppose what this could be. This is kind of a shot in the dark, but I'm probably gonna blur what's on the screen right now. But okay, basically, it was a Google Drive link. Now I'm able to download a font, and I believe what this is a custom version of a font. Yeah, you can see, it doesn't quite look right. So what we actually have to do is go into our Roblox files, and this is actually a pretty cool puzzle. So I go into content, I go into fonts. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab Guru Regular, I'm gonna delete it, and I'm gonna paste the new Guru Regular. Yeah, you can see everything is kind of fucked up right now. Trans font mirrors. Here we go. There we go. We've got another secret. We've got 7 of them now. Wooden. That was a 4-star. Is that my hardest secret? That might be my hardest secret that I've gotten. You know what this reminds me of? I have no idea if this is correct, but could it be possible that the reason that this specific A is dimmer is because there is something hidden inside of this mesh? I don't know if that makes any sense, because there's another A here and that one's not dimmer, right? But this one, theoretically, there could be something. Let's buy what we can buy. What can we buy? This, we can buy that, okay. And then, okay, we can buy that as well. So our Tycoon is actually growing pretty large at this point. There is a puzzle here. I think I've done enough. It is absolutely boiling in my room. I don't know how much longer I can take this. If you want to see another video on this game, or if you want to see another video on the previous Tycoon game that I played, let me know in the comments. That's where I'm going to be leaving it for now. And I guess I'll see you in the next one.